In this Lotus Tech Tip, we want to discuss the importance of preparing a screen before putting it into your Lotus Evo screen reclaimer. If you pay good attention to this, your screens will be cleaner and maintenance of your reclaimer will be much easier. It is important that you scoop out the ink well. Use a spatula like this one or a scraper, whatever is suitable. But make sure that you don't leave any thick patches of ink in the screen. Also make sure that you don't leave any ink in the corners of the screen, because those are the hardest places for the reclaimer to access. Scoop out the ink on one side of the screen and place this side on the bottom in the reclaimer, because that is where most of the cleaning fluid actually will go. Additionally, remove any tape. The adhesive from the tape is dissolved by the cleaning agent. And the loose pieces of tape can end up anywhere in the machine and cause problems. For instance, this tape can clog up the filters of your pump, and you don't want that. When you are ready with printing, it is important that you do not clean the screens with a volatile chemical, because at that point you are creating your ghost image. The printer takes off the screen, he rubs the ink with a volatile cleaner with a cloth, and however hard he tries, he will get out about 95% of the ink. But the residual ink at that point gets a chance to get stuck to the mesh, because the cleaner, which is volatile, evaporates and your ink gets hard in the mesh. So yes, printer, even before the screen gets to the machine, the ghost image is already created. So immediately after cleaning, take the screen from the printing equipment directly to the cleaning machine without manual pre-cleaning. The better you prepare your screens before cleaning, before they go into the machine, the higher the cleaning result that you can expect. And at the same time, if you do this well, there is less maintenance that you have to do on the machine. It is important to use the correct tape to tape off your screens, and also the correct screen opener while you are printing. Because if you use inferior products for this job, then you risk that the residue of the glue will stick on your screen and it becomes hard to remove. Your local distributor can advise you on which screen opener is the best for you to use, as well as which tape is best suited for your job. Many thanks to Cotton Bag Joe Printing Company in Wuppertal for allowing us to record this Lotus Tech Tip for you.